Centrally located here in Abbotsford, close proximity to schools, shopping. Highway 1 is a minute away. Best of all is all the amenities in this building. Let's go check it out. We have a beautiful 1 bedroom, 1 bath. There's a hair under 700 square feet. A galley style kitchen opens up into a dining room, living room, and best of all, a cozy solarium for year-round use. Living at Glenwood Manor means access to some amazing amenities within the building. Indoor swimming pool, hot tub, sauna, makes it perfect for unwinding after a long day. There's also a rec room, great space for socializing or hosting small gatherings. If you're looking for a comfortable, affordable, centrally located condo in Abbotsford, this is it. Reach out today. Let's get you a private showing. That's it for now. We'll see you on the next one.